Welcome to our channel One to Step. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log into Casino Classic account. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Casino Classic login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option versus Casino Classic login, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the official page of Casino. Now once you're in Classic Casino, you want to click over here where it says click here to log in. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, which is the login page of Casino Classic. Over here, scroll a bit down and choose already have an account option at the bottom. Once you do that, this login page will pop up. Over here where it says username, enter the username of your account. And where it says password, just enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on login and you should be able to log in into your Casino Classic account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys next time.